Hello? Miss V? Are you in here?
Ah! Oh my gosh, somebody call the police!
Hello, police? We need help!
Hi, I'm a detective from the police department, and my partner should be here, but he's running late, I guess. Did you know Miss V very well?
Well, we came over a lot and we played ping pong with her, so.
Do you happen to know where she worked?
She was a math teacher at West Holmes High School.
I see. So do you know when she got home last night?
It was kind of late. It was pretty late.
Okay, well, thank you for your time, and I'm sorry for your loss.
Hey, wait up!
Where were you this morning?
I overslept. I'm sorry. I had to get my protein shake in and my donut. You know I can't miss those. I had to get my exercise video in and then hula hoop a couple times. My phone was off the entire time. I can't miss that.
Well, there was a murder.
What?
Yeah. A
Nah.
girl in her own home.
Nah.
A teacher, actually.
You're kidding.
With a machete.
What?
Yes.
That's
You
crazy.
missed it. Well, there were some files missing, something about a theorem. She was murdered.
I don't care.
Definitely.
It's just the teachers. I never liked teachers.
Come on.
Fine. Let's roll out. Man, it took forever to get here. I'm glad the door was unlocked.
I would have just broken it down.
You see anything? Any
Yeah,
clues?
look. Meeting at Taco Bell. Mean?
I could go for some tacos right now.
No time for tacos. And this looks like an address.
Woods. Sounds
I don't know.
dangerous.
We'll
Better
take them.
'em. Yeah. What could have she gotten into? I mean, couldn't be that dangerous. Got her killed though. Hello, Professor?
Professor?
You in here?
Professor Mean?
Oh, hey, Mr.
I'm
Mean.
Dr. Mean.
Oh, hi.
Why are you in my home?
Well,
We have questions.
there's an investigation going on. Anyways, do you recognize this woman?
Why?
Well, she was brutally murdered.
Answer the question.
Well, yes, I met with her yesterday. We were working on my theorem.
Sounds suspicious.
Explain.
Well, if the function is continuous and differentiable, then f prime of c equals f of b minus f of a over b minus a. And then that's your slope, which is your average, which you know is the average of the secant line, and at the same point, it's the average of the tangent line.
Where were you at midnight last night?
I was here.
Can anyone verify that?
No.
Can your cats?
Well, I'm always with Mr. Puss.
Okay.
One last thing. Do you recognize this address?
Well,
Tell us where it is.
that's Professor Rolls. Why? Do you think he killed her?
Leave the investigating to us.
Have a nice day.
Oh, hello! Come in, have a seat.
Hello, Professor Rolls.
Hi there, Professor.
Hello.
We were wondering if you met with a Miss V yesterday.
Oh, yes, I did. Why?
Well,
She was brutally murdered. I'm sorry you had to hear that.
Oh,
Excuse us for asking, but why was she here?
well, I'm working on a theorem called Rolle's Theorem. And she has been helping me because I've just been so lost and I can't get the final pieces together.
Why her?
Anyways, what's the theorem about?
Well, on a function in the graph, if it's continuous, differentiable, and the y's are equal, then there's a maximum and minimum. And you all know what maximum and minimums are, right?
You like the top of a roller coaster and the bottom of a roller coaster?
No. A maximum is the highest plotted point on the graph, and a minimum is the lowest plotted point. There may be more than one, but you need the very top or the very bottom.
Go on.
And there are other things that she needed to help me find. All of these critical points, the point of inflection, where the graph changes from an upward to a downward, the maximum and the minimum. You also have to learn how to take the first derivative test and the second derivative test. And when you take the first one, then you get a maximum or minimum. You take the second derivative test and you get a point of inflection. All of these things to build up.
Anyway, this is all very interesting, but I'm sorry we have to ask. Where were you last night?
I was here, of course. This is very...
Can anyone verify that?
Well, I mean, no.
We're gonna have to canvass the area.
Excuse
Search
us.
around if you like, but I'm too fragile for this.
So is there any like experts in the field that could help us?
Oh, yes. There's a first derivative and a second derivative. They both know all about this stuff, so she would have went to them to help me later.
Where are you
go.
going?
Bye, Sonny!
Hello, we're detectives investigating Miss V's murder.
I'm first derivative.
I'm second derivative.
What was she working on?
She
Was helping us with our tests.
Can you explain those to us?
Well, the first derivative test is where you take the derivative the first time and then set it equal to 0 to find the max and mins.
Well, the second derivative test is where you take the second derivative and set it equal to 0, and that'll give you your concavity, like this little drawing here. If you have your you set it equal to 0 and you get -2 and 3 and 0. And you test in the middle and say it gives you a negative number. So because of this little drawing, you know that it can't hold water, so it has negative concavity. And this side, it will hold water because it has positive concavity.
Oh, that makes sense.
Anything else we can help you with?
Done.
I don't know if this will help, but I do know that Miss V thought the police were being paid too much.
No.
It was nice meeting you guys. You were really helpful. Thank you so much. So much. We outs.
Wait, I have a call.
Okay.
Hello? Professor Rolls, you found out she was working on? To lower police salaries. What? Alright, oh, thank you. Alright, bye.
So, what was that about?
Nothing. It was just Professor Rolls.
Oh, okay.
Where did you say you were the morning of the crime scene?
I had diabetes.
Diabetes.
From the donuts that I ate.
It was you all along. You found out, didn't you?
Hey, I was just trying to help all of us.
Get down!
Please. Please don't do it.
It was you the whole time.
Okay, I admit. I couldn't help myself. It was a freaking machete. I had to.
You're going to jail.
Something I can't get. Broken hearts lie all around me, and I don't see an easy way.
You're going away for life. No! Bang! Oh, hang on a second, I have a call.
Okay.
Wait, could you hear that?
I just told you what to say.
Angelina wants to get this done. Hey, it wasn't that brutal.
There was a machete in her head.
Stop taking pictures of her recording or whatever.
Yeah, that was
You actually say that?
Would you be like, there was a freaking machete in her head? And I'll be like, I mean, there's not anything you can do.
Okay.
Would there be anywhere else we could go to? Oh, I don't know. No,